If you invested just $100 into the S&P 500 10 years ago, and added only $25 a week after that, you'd have over $20,000 today. That's not luck, that's the power of starting early, even with what most people think is too little money. And here's the crazy part, most people delay investing for years because they think they need thousands to begin. They don't. Stay until the end, because the last point is the one that will actually change how you handle money. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly where to put your first $100, how beginners accidentally lose money before they even start, and the simple strategy that quietly builds wealth while you sleep. Let's get into it. Here's a stat most people never hear. About 40% of Americans don't even own a single stock, not because they're broke, because they're intimidated. Imagine two people, one starts investing $100 today at age 20, the other waits until age 30 and starts with $10,000. If both invest consistently at a 10% average annual return, the first person often ends up with more money by retirement. That's how powerful time is. So where should your first $100 go? Simple. Open a beginner-friendly investing app and buy an S&P 500 index fund. That means you instantly own tiny pieces of hundreds of major companies instead of gambling on one stock. Think about it like this. Buying one random stock is like betting on one player. An index fund is owning the whole team, and emotionally, this matters because most beginners secretly fear losing everything overnight. An index fund dramatically lowers that risk. But here's where people make a huge mistake. They invest once, then stop completely. And point two is where investing actually starts becoming life-changing. Most people think investing works like this: once I make more money, then I'll invest. But wealthy people often do the opposite. They invest first and let the investing help create more money over time. Here's the difference. Person A invests $100 once, person B invests $100, then adds just $20 every week. After 20 years at a 10% annual return, person A ends up with around $670, person B ends up with over $31,000. That's not because person B was rich, it's because consistency beats intensity. This is called dollar cost averaging, fancy name. Simple idea, you invest small amounts regularly whether the market is up or down. That means you buy more shares when prices are cheap, and fewer when prices are expensive, and emotionally, this removes one of the biggest frustrations beginners face, trying to perfectly time the market. Spoiler alert, almost nobody can. But the next point is the real secret, because it explains why some people invest for years and still stay broke. Quick question. Would you rather have $100 cash today, or own a tiny piece of companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon that keep making money for decades? That mindset shift changes everything. Most beginners treat investing like a casino, real investors treat it like buying ownership. Here's the analogy. Imagine planting a tree. The first year, it barely grows. The 5th year, you finally notice branches. The 20th year, it's massive. Investing works the same way because of compound growth. Your money makes money, then that money starts making money too. And this is where excitement kicks in, because eventually your investments can start covering real expenses, a phone bill, a car payment, maybe even rent one day. But before you rush into investing apps and random TikTok stock tips, there's one warning you absolutely need to hear first. Before you do anything else, you need to hear this. The fastest way to destroy your first $100 is chasing get-rich-quick investments, crypto coins you don't understand, penny stocks hyped by influencers, options trading with borrowed money. That's not investing, that's gambling with better marketing. In 2022 alone, billions of dollars were wiped out from speculative crypto collapses. And beginners got hit hardest because fear and hype controlled their decisions. Here's the rule. If someone promises fast, guaranteed returns, run. Real wealth is usually boring, slow, consistent, automatic, and honestly, that's good news, because it means you don't need to be a genius to build wealth, you just need discipline. I was going to save this for another video, but since you made it this far, here it is. Automate your investing. even $10 every Friday. Because automation removes emotion, and emotion is where most people lose money. The less you have to decide, the more likely you are to stay consistent for years. Here's the bottom line: starting early beats starting big, consistency beats timing the market, and ownership beats gambling every single time. Your first $100 is not about getting rich overnight. It's about proving to yourself that your money can start working for you instead of only working for someone else. If this gave you even one idea that could change your financial future, hit subscribe. I drop new money tips every week, the kind your school never taught you. And comment below, tell me which point hit you hardest. I read every single one.